Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today is a special day because I have bought a website for you guys because you guys want to earn a lot of money and you are here because you want to earn some few bucks online. And trust me guys, I have bought this website and this website is a legit website. The website name is kidsearnmoney.net. You will find the links in the description box. But before getting into the website, I would like to show you how I searched upon the internet about making money online, and you can see there are few steps but none of them worked for me. I tried all of them. I wanted to make money online but I didn't succeed ever. Don't worry guys, because today the website I have bought for you is truly legit and will provide you real cash and real money. So before getting logged in, I'll show you my PayPal balance. You can see here I have 259 PayPal balance. Now where did this money came from? This money came from this website I have been working on, and trust me guys, I did nothing and I earned a lot of money. These guys are legit and they are paying you for just doing simple tasks. You can see here kids get paid to use their social influence. You will get paid, like if you sign up you will start receiving exclusive paid task with your referral link. You have to refer people, and whoever you bring to this website you will get some kind of referral amount. So this is how this website works. You can also do some tasks that will help you in getting some extra money. You can earn up to $50 per task. That is a huge amount of money, and this task take little time to complete. So let's dig into this website. So after digging into the dashboard page, you can see this is my dashboard page, and you can see here that I have earned about $259 and my current balance is $67, like the more, and $259 is my earnings by now. So let's just dig into this statistics where I can show you how did I get money on this website. You can see here people clicking upon my link. Whoever clicks upon my link and like my referral link and doesn't even sign up, I'll get $1 for their click. This is really awesome. And you can also check out, like many people have clicked upon my referral link but they haven't signed up. And who doesn't like $1? They are giving it for free. They are not taking any money for this. So this is how this $1 thing works. You can see a lot of people have been clicking upon my link. I have shared these links to my social media and my YouTube channel. So you can see there is a one user sign up and I got $20 for this. Now this is awesome. You get $20 but just by referring people. Anybody can do that. Anybody having a social influence network can do this, and this is really easy. But don't worry, if you don't have any social influence network, you can always click upon this $20 task where you will see there are a lot of tasks that you can do. Now currently there is one task available here, but tasks keep on adding, tasks keep on going, so there is no worrying about that. So you can see here if this task takes about only 2 minutes and you will earn $20 guys, just in 2 minutes. That's awesome. You can do this task, and there is another option where you can earn from YouTube. Like this is a YouTube submission, like the video I am making. You can also make a video. Like you can just make a video and put it on YouTube and you will get $15 just by uploading the videos. No matter how many views you get, nothing matters. Only matters is that you make a video, a legit video that would convince some guys to get on this website, because sharing is caring guys, and you have to make a video at least 30 seconds long. That's not a big deal. Anybody can make this video, and you have to keep the video title like this. You can choose from any of these titles. Just copy the description and tags and you're good to go. After uploading, just enter your YouTube video URL and that's it guys. Anybody can do this, and making $15 is just that easy. Also there is bonus of $20 each person that you refer and that signs up under your link. So that is another bonus. So that's it. So this is my referral link. I'll be giving my referral link in the description box below, so you can sign up through this referral link. That would help me somewhat. You can see here is the payments option. Now as you saw that I just made through on the PayPal, you can see here I got about $259 into my PayPal account, and you can see here that there is nothing like you have to withdraw money. The withdrawal happens on its own. Whenever you reach a threshold of $250, this money automatically gets withdrawn into your account. So you can see here it is 15 days payment schedule. After every 15 days the money will be automatically transferred into my PayPal account, so there is nothing to worry about it. You will get real money, real cash for just completing simple tasks. So if I can earn money, guys, you can also earn. Go down and click upon this link right now to earn a lot of money, guys, because if I can do it, you guys can 100% do it, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, remember, kidsearnmoney.net.